Okay, alright, so class, so this is the next video, and in this video I will show you on the what we call the third properties, which is derivative of Laplace transform. Okay, so the last properties, which is derivative of Laplace transform. Okay, so basically it's quite similar with the first shifting. So you can recall, or you can look at back to the video for the first shifting. So if you still remember, for first shifting there must be have two term, right? And two term that consists of t. Okay, and then the second condition, it must be consist of exponential, right? That one is first shifting. Okay, this is the first shifting. So now for the derivative, so we go to the derivative of the Laplace transform. So it's quite similar. What I mean is it also must be consist of two terms of t. So there must be have gt, and there must be another one, and this is t power of n. Okay, I repeat. Okay, for first shifting, okay, there must be have two terms that consist of t. Same thing for derivative. Okay, for derivative also there must be have two terms that consist of t. Okay, and then for the first shifting, the first the first one lah, boleh kata the first one, the first term must be in term of exponential. Okay, must be in term of exponential. And then for the derivative, okay, the first term must be consist of polynomial. Okay, t power of n. Alright, okay. So saya kena kuatkan suara sebab ada ayam kat belakang. Okay, so t power of n and also gt. Okay, so I will show you example of derivative. Okay, example 1. So determine the Laplace transform for t sin 2t. Okay, determine the Laplace transform for t sin 2t. Okay, clearly that you can see that your ft here, they have two term of t. Okay, and the first term here is a polynomial, t power of 1. Okay, t and gt, right? So here is t power of 1, and your gt is sin 2t. Okay, alright. Okay, step number 1. Okay, step number 1, if for first shifting you need to identify your a. For derivative you need to identify your n. So what is your n here? Okay, your n here is 1. Okay, n here is the power of t. Okay, n here is represent the power of t. Okay, so the answer for this one, okay, the answer for this one, okay, it's given by this. Okay, what does it mean? Okay, so n here is come from this n. Okay, this n, this n, this n is come from this. Okay, so maksudnya macam ni. If your n here is 1, so that means you will differentiate only once. Okay, maksudnya kalau n ni 1, kat sini you akan letak 1, so maksudnya you akan differentiate sekali saja. If your n here is 2, so that means you need to differentiate twice. If your n is 3, means you need to differentiate 3 times. And here you just replace. So for example, now your n is 1, so that means it's negative 1 power 1. If your n is 2, negative 1 power 2. Okay, get it? Okay, it's okay. We try to do first. Okay, so you just replace your n here. Your n here is 1, so means that it's negative 1 power of 1. Okay, saya tak tulis lah, but okay, I tulis power of 1. Alright, so dg ds. So maksudnya sekali je. Maksudnya you akan differentiate sekali. So you need to differentiate your G. So for second step, you need to find your GS. Okay, maksudnya you nak differentiate ni, you nak differentiate G ni, tapi tak ada G lagi. For this moment, you tak ada G. So to differentiate this one, to solve this one, you need to find your GS first. Okay, GS is the Laplace transform for GT. Alright, we do the same thing again, kan? Benda sama je. So Laplace transform for GT, your GT is sin 2t. By referring to your table, sin 2t is given by a over s square plus s square plus a square. Okay, so this is the answer for GS. Alright. Okay, so I move to the next page lah, tak cukup space. Okay, so step number 3. Okay, before that, okay, back to your GS. So I will write this one in s square plus 2 square power negative 1. Okay, I bring this denominator ke atas lah. Okay, why? Because I want to differentiate. Okay, so step number 3, you need to differentiate your G. Okay, in step number 2 just now, you just get it your G. So now, by using that answer, you need to differentiate. So, tadi saya dah naikkan jadi power negative 1. So, what we do? How to differentiate this one? Okay, you just put it the power negative 1 in front here. And then inside here, you just remain. Power must be minus 1. So, you get negative 2. And then what we do? Differentiate inside here with respect to S. Okay, so simplify, you will get negative 4s over s square plus 2 square power 2. Okay, alright, the last step is the answer. Okay, the answer just now is given by negative 1 power of 1 and dg, right, over ds. So just masukkanlah value. So negative 1 power of 1 is negative. And this one you get it from here. Negative 4s over s square plus 2 square power 2. Simplify, so you get okay, right? So that's the answer lah for this question. Okay, is it okay? Alright, okay, so let's retry another example. Okay, another example. Determine Laplace transform for t e t. Okay, Laplace transform for t e t. Okay, so same thing, you can see clearly they have two terms of t here. So your ft here is t power of n gt. So t power of 1 and your gt is et. So step number 1, you need to identify your n. Okay, what is your n here? So your n here is 1. So the answer would be negative 1 power of 1 dg ds. Okay, so step number 2, you need to find out your gs, and your gs is the Laplace transform for gt, and your gt is et. So by using table, the answer is 1 over s minus 1. So I will make it I will bring this one, so it will become s minus 1 power negative 1. Okay, step number 3. Okay, now we want to differentiate your g with respect to s. Okay, only once, sekali je cukup. Okay, because it's referred to your n. So differentiate, we'll put it the power 1, negative 1 in front, and then power minus 1, negative 2, and then differentiate as we get 1. So simplify, rearrange, so we get 1, negative 1, sorry, negative 1, s minus 1 squared. So the last step is just substitute what you have from the previous steps. Okay. So negative 1 power of n is 1, so negative 1, and your dg here is negative 1 s minus 1 squared. So the answer is positive s minus 1 squared. Is it okay? Alright. Okay, so for the next video, I will give you an exercise and I want you to solve it and show to me by using, through WhatsApp, or later I will inform you